Hi viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Linux Dash on Fedora 28. Linux Dash is an open source web-based server monitoring tool for Linux machines. This tool will display system properties such as CPU load, RAM usage, and disk usage, and internet speed, and the network connection, and etc. Okay, now let us see how to install Linux Dash on Fedora 28. First of all, we have to install the dependency package of Linux Dash application. Press Y and continue the installation. The installation is going on. The installation is complete now. After installation, we have to clone the Linux Dash package from GitHub repository. Now we have to restore this directory. Now we have to move the Linux-dash directory into the /var/ww/html directory using my move command. Then go to HTML directory. Here we have to restore this directory. Now we have to change ownership and permission for the Linux Dash directory. Then we have to configure the virtual host for Linux Dash. Change insert mode. Here we have to create name-based virtual host. So add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart our Apache server. After restarting our Apache server, we have to open the browser. Here we have to give our local IP or domain name. Here I will choose domain name. Here it will show on a Linux Dash monitoring tool. Here we can see RAM usage and CPU average load, then CPU utilization, then RAM process, CPU process also is here. Thus we have seen how to install Linux Dash on Fedora 28. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxscape. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscape.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxscape.com.